guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got another unboxing for you, and it is another snack box. It is one I've had before. I had my first one last month, and it is the Vegan Kind lifestyle box. I signed up for a 3-month subscription to this. I really enjoyed last month's. Basically it is a selection of delicious vegan treats and more delivered straight to your door. It costs, I think it's £8 a month, plus postage and packaging. So £8 a month and £3.15 postage and packaging. I signed up for 3 months and it was like £36. So this is my second one. I've got another 1 month, and then they also do a beauty box, which I also have just here, but I'll unbox that in another video. But yeah, they have a code on their website at the moment that says if you want £5 off, just use the code vegan. I'll link it all down below. That's nothing to do with me, that's just an offer on their website. But yeah, let's get into this. So here we go. This is the box. Ooh, excited. This looks mega. Okay, so welcome to our February lifestyle box. We've selected some of our favourite new finds, some delicious new sweet treats, 2 lifestyle products this month as a special treat. We hope you enjoy the goodies in this month's box, and let us all know, and then you hashtag TVK76, the vegan kind. And you do, I love this, you get a little recipe card every month. It's like a laminated kind of one, and it's got like a little thing so you can put it in a binder, which I really like, and I'm assuming you can buy the binder on their website. If I can find that, I'll link that as well. But yeah, let's have a little look. So the first thing I've got, oh, these are nice, proper chips, and these are sweet sriracha chili. They sound amazing. These are number 7, where are you? These are £1 a bag. Sweet sriracha proper chips made with monumental lentils. Lentils are high in protein and a source of fibre and iron. Let's have a little look. Oh, they smell really good. So they're going to be really crunchy. Not massively crunchy, but oh, they're yummy. I'm trying to work out if they're spicy or not. Not spicy, but really good. Oh my god, they're amazing. I'm definitely buying these, and they're 94 calories a bag. Oh my god, they're so nice. Love them. What have we got next? We've got yerba mate matcha green coffee, 1/3 of a lemon, cinnamon, Himalayan salt, and 2 drops of maple and sparkling water. 28 calories, fuel and focus. So this is caffeinated, so that means I can't drink it. I love the packaging. I'm not allowed caffeine. This is £1.79, which is ridiculous for a little can of drink, but if it's an energy drink, they are all around that same price. So this is caffeine comparison. It's basically the same as a standard cup of coffee, that is. And it says, oh my god, those sriracha chips were so yummy. This refreshing new drink from Bumble Zest contains yerba mate, matcha green coffee, lemon, cinnamon, salt, maple, and sparkling water. So it sounds really nice. I'll give it to Ben and see what he thinks. But yeah, you can't have it. It's gluten, dairy, lactose, and nut free. 100% recyclable, non-BPA can, no preservatives or GMOs, plant-based, nothing artificial, and low in sugar and calories. So that sounds amazing, but I can't drink it. Okay, next, ooh, I've got Sweet Zone candy floss. It's quite a big tub. I've got a big old face. This is 60p. Sweet Zone launched a vegan range, including amazing melt in the mouth candy floss. Is candy floss not vegan then, normally? I need to Google that. Why would candy floss not be vegan? Is candy floss vegan in the UK? Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, it smells just like normal candy floss. Feels just like normal candy floss. Oh my god. I love candy floss. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Oh, it tastes like strawberry. I love candy floss that tastes like things rather than just being sugar. The girls went to a party recently and there was a candy floss machine and they never had it before, and I let them have a little bit and then I went back and got one for myself and the lady was not happy. Mmm. Oh my god. That's amazing. And that's only 60p. That's really good. And that has got, how big is this? So this has got 81 calories for that, which is amazing. That's like a really good little treat. I love that. Next up, I've got My Sweet Chickpea, dark chocolate roasted chickpeas. Okay, the dark chocolate sounds amazing, but I hate chickpeas unless they're turned into hummus. So we'll see what these are like. These are £1.35. That's quite a big bag, so it's not too bad. Dark chocolate covered chickpea snacks with the goodness of roasted chickpeas, Moorish crunch and indulgent chocolate twist. I'm skeptical just because how much I hate chickpeas, the texture of them. So we'll see, but I love dark chocolate. Oh, they look amazing. They didn't smell very nice, but they look amazing. Look, they look like poppets. Look at them. They look really good. Oh, they're like literally like the blackest, darkest chocolate. Let's have a look. Literally would have had no idea that that was chickpea at all. Like, you could say I will give you £1,000 and tell me if it was in the middle of that. Chickpea wouldn't even register as an option. They're yummy. Mmm. They just taste like crunchy dark chocolate balls. Hell yeah. Oh my god, they're amazing. They are so good. A 25-gram serving as well. So a quarter of this bag, which is quite a lot, is only 121 calories. So that's a really good little snack. Oosh, love that. Okay. This is, I'm gonna have to get Ben in a minute to try all these. This is Quirky plant-based maple bacon jerky, $2.99. Quirky are on a mission to bring you plant-based tasty nutrition without any compromise. They believe plant-based foods are a better way to feed yourself and the planet. Quirky is available in 4 different flavours and high in protein and dietary fibre. So I'm very excited for that. There is, there's sriracha hot chili, smoked black pepper and sweet and spicy barbecue. That sounds amazing. Very intrigued with this. I'm going to get Ben in when I finish filming this and get him to just taste everything. Why can't I get that open? Get open. Whereas Aria says, let me open you. Oh. Oh, I don't know. Look at that. That looks weird. Oh, I don't know. It does look like jerky, but it's a bit, I don't know. It is really smoky. Extruded soy curls. What the hell is extruded? I don't hate it, but I don't think I'd be like, oh, I really want some of that. I don't know. Least favourite thing so far. I'll get Ben to have a try of that in a minute. But yeah, I'm not sure. Next up, it's a lifestyle thing and it says, I love you more than vegan sausage rolls. It's like a Valentine's card. And it says gorge, but it's like the Greggs logo. That's quite cute. I like that. And I do like a vegan sausage roll. They are yummy. If you haven't had one, get yourself down to Greggs and try one because they're lush. Next up, we've got a Naturaline and it's a lip treatment. I've had one of these before. It's by Beauty Kitchen. It's a lip balm, which is nice because I always need a lip balm. Doesn't smell of anything, but that's lovely. Happy with that. And then the last item is a chocolate covered strawberry mallow out chocolate bar thing. It's got like a sloth on it. Freedom Strawberry Mallow Out Bar. Mallow Out Strawberry, the brand new in-between dinner filler. Soft and fluffy, gelatin-free marshmallow smothered in velvety, moo-free chocolate. This is... I don't know how many calories it has. It's 428. If that's right, that's insane. That is a big, that's not a big bar. Wow, if that's right, that's insane. Oh, it looks like dark chocolate again. I love it. Like dairy-free chocolate is always dark generally and it's yummy. Look. Smells good. Mmm. Yeah. That is yummy. Oh, that's really good. Okay, so the only thing I'm not 100% sure about is the quirky. But everything else is amazing. This is like quickly becoming one of my favourite boxes. Yeah, so that was February's box. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. If you aren't already, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. I'm going to see if Ben will come in and try some snacks. Do you want to try some snacks? He went like this. What do you want first, savoury or sweet?
Savoury.
Okay, savoury. You can't have all of these. Sriracha lentil chips. They're so good. Not spicy though, are they?
Nice.
Nice.
What
That is the packaging. Quirky. Vegan jerky. It was too
skeptical already.
Too smoky for me. It's the texture of jerky.
Well, a cheap jerky, yeah.
Yeah. Of like biltong kind of. But I don't like the smokiness.
What's the protein content?
I think it's quite high. It says it's got it in.
27 grams per 100, so...
Is that quite good?
I think so, yeah, not as much as...
What do you think? Would you eat it?
No.
No? Okay, so that's the only one so far.
I don't want to eat that.
Why not?
Candy floss.
So?
I don't want to eat candy.
Okay, try this then. Be yummy. Tell me what... Have you seen what's in it?
Your hand.
Tell me what's in the middle of them. You might have heard me say it.
Oh.
Nice though, aren't they? Chickpeas. You like?
It'll wait.
Yeah. Well, he's a jerky lover, so I didn't think he was going to be that sold on that. But that's the only thing. Everything else I think is amazing. But yes, I'm going to go and eat the rest of my candy floss and my sriracha chips for my dinner because they're amazing. Yeah, I'll let you know in the description box what Ben thinks about this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.